Okay, everyone, welcome to this video lesson here. And this specific video lesson is a quiz preview, so make sure that you copy everything down in order for you to be prepared for your quiz. But also because this video, these examples that we're going to do are the exact same problems that are in the worksheet that you are to turn in, that you are to submit. So make sure that you copy everything down in order for you to have your assignment turned in, right? So this assignment is called Solve System of Two Variables Quiz Preview, right? So we are going to quiz, we're going to get ready to take the quiz for the system of two variables, right? We're going to solve each system here by elimination. So we have to follow the instructions of elimination, right? So as always, like you all know that I like to do here, I like to highlight each equation a different color, right? Now, I'm going to copy over 27x minus 3y is equal to 129. Negative 7x plus 3y is equal to negative 49. Now, fortunately for me, these already cancel out. Negative 3y and positive 3y cancel out. 27x minus 7x is 20x. 129 minus 49 is 80. Right? I cross out 20, I divide by 20, and I get x is equal to 4. Right? I'm going to copy this second equation here, and I'm going to say negative 7, but instead of x, I'm going to put a parentheses 4 because I know what x is. X is equal to 4. Plus 3y is equal to negative 49. So negative 7 times 4 is negative 28, but I'm immediately going to cross it out and bring that over as positive 28. So I have 3y. 49 minus 28 is 21 because they're different signs. And I have a negative 21 because 49 is bigger, divided by 3. So I get y is equal to negative 21 divided by 3, kiddos, is negative 7. So my ordered pair here, my answer is x, 4, comma, y, negative 7. There you go. Look at that. That is our number 1, right? Where we eliminated immediately. It was perfect. Okay? So you're going to get a quiz like that, a question like that for sure on the quiz. Okay? Number 2, of course, I like to highlight, right? Now, number 2, I noticed that I need to multiply one of these equations by negative 1. Because if this was positive 3y, it'll cancel with that negative 3y, and that'll be gone. So I'm going to do that. So I get negative 18x positive 3y is equal to negative 93 when I multiply. The second equation is going to stay exactly the same. 3y, a positive 3y, and a negative 3y cancel out. Negative 18x and 24x is 6x. Negative 93 and 105 is 12, positive 12. I divide by 6, and I get x is equal to 2. Right? Next, I'm going to recopy over, and I'm going to copy the pink one because it looks like it's simpler numbers. 18, but instead of x, I'm going to put 2. Minus 3y is equal to 93. Okay? 18 times 2, nope. 18 times 2 is 36. I'm going to cross out 36 and bring it 36 over just like this. And I have negative 3y. 93 minus 36 is 57, kiddos. Positive 57. And the opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing by negative 3. And I get y is equal to negative 19. So my ordered pair here is 2, comma, negative 19. Look at that. And that is my ordered pair here. That is my solution. Perfect. Okay. Two more elimination problems, right? So let us highlight as we do, as Mr. Martinez likes to. So this is my green, and this is my brown here, right? Now this one, I noticed that nothing matches. So what I have to do here is I have to multiply. Okay, sorry everybody. I have to multiply them by, I have to multiply one of the equations to get to the my number that matches here. So you see this 52 here? If I multiply 13, negative 13 times 4, it'll give me negative 52, and it'll cancel with this positive 52. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this top equation by 4, like that, right? So 4 times 23 gives me 92x, minus 4 times 13 is 52y, and then 4 times negative 10 is negative 40. Now the bottom equation stays exactly the same. And that's cool because look at my negative 52y and my positive 52y cancel out. So 92x plus 13x is 105x. Negative 40 and a negative 65 are the same sign, so I add them together and I get negative 105. The opposite of multiplying by 105 is dividing by 105. So I get x is equal to negative 1. Right? I'm going to copy over the brown here. So I'm going to say 13 parentheses negative 1 plus 52y is equal to negative 65. Right? 13 times negative 1 is negative 13, which immediately is going to go over as plus 13. So I have 52y, negative 65 plus 13 is a negative 52. Different signs, I got to subtract. The opposite of multiplying by 52 is dividing by 52, so I get y is equal to negative 1, kiddos. So my solution is x negative 1, y negative 1. Look at that. There you go. So far we've gotten 3 different examples of elimination, right? Okay, finally, we're going to get one more here. One more example of elimination. So I'm going to highlight this one in green. And I'm going to highlight this one in pink. Now this one is unique because this one is I have to multiply these numbers by each other. Because there's nothing that I can do to multiply one by the other to get a number that matches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this top equation by negative 50. And I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by 21, just like this. So I am going to distribute, right? I'm going to distribute 50 times 21, right? So I'm going to use so you use a calculator. 50 times 21 gives you 1050x plus 50 times 28 gives you 1400. Y is equal to, nope, I forgot. Look what I forgot to do. Look what I forgot to do, everybody. I forgot the negative. Negative 1400 y, and then I forgot the negative there, is equal to 50 times 35 is negative 1750. Now, 21 times 50 is 1050x, right? Plus 21 times 22 gives me 462y, and 21 times 140 gives me negative 2940. Like that. All right. So what happens here, look at this. Boom. That happens. Right? So next is the y is 1400 minus 462 gives me negative 938 is equal to negative 1750 and negative 2940. 1750 plus 2940 gives me 4690. Right? So the opposite of multiplying by negative 938 is dividing by negative 938. And I get y is equal to, let's see, 4690 divided by 938 gives me 5. Look at that. All that stuff just to get 5. Right? So now I can bring over my green here. 21x plus 28 parentheses 5, because I know y is 5, is equal to 35. Okay. 5 times 28 is 140. And I'm going to bring 140 over as negative 140. So I get 21x is equal to negative 105. And the opposite of multiplying by 21 is dividing by 21. So I get x is equal to negative 5. So my solution, kiddos, is x, negative 5, comma, y, positive 5. And there you go. Look at that. That's perfect. Okay. There you go. Those are the first 4 here. Right? So make sure you have all of that copied down. Now that's elimination.